Hello everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to the webinar hosted by Wire Classrooms. My name is Jane. I'm the academic counselor here at Wire Classrooms. First of all, I would like to thank you all for taking your time and joining us today. We really appreciate it. So I think I am audible and visible clearly. If there is any issue coming up, please do let me know. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I want to ask you a question. Are you excited to be here? To be honest, from the morning itself, I was so thrilled, so thrilled and excited to meet you all and interact with you. Because today we have got this amazing opportunity to discuss some of the world's best professional qualifications, which will help you to build a very successful career in the field of finance and accounting. And what better way to learn about them other than the wire classrooms? Moving on, being a counselor, I always come across with students who struggles to make a difference in their career. And with wire classrooms, you can actually discover new heights in your career and achieve your goals because our training and courses are designed as such to equip you with the skills and practical knowledge, expertise, which is needed to build a very competitive and successful career in the field of commerce. Now, moving on, in wire classrooms, we believe bridging the gap between a normal graduate professional and a skilled professional. That is exactly the vision of our founders, that to provide quality training and education to students worldwide so that to make them confident and competitive in the field of commerce. Now, the courses we are offering here at Wire Classrooms includes US CMA, ACCA, IFRS, SAP FICO, SAP and many more. Before I jump into the detailed description of all these courses, let me introduce you to our platform, the Wire Classrooms. So, now, in simple words, now I will be sharing a screen with you. If it is not visible, please do let me know. It is taking time. Please kindly wait. Okay, now the screen is there. Okay, so let's start. So, what is exactly Wire Classrooms? So, Wire Classrooms is a hybrid learning web applications that delivers effective learning methods for students to pursue their professional careers. In Wire Classrooms, we actually have a flexibility in learning. What does it exactly mean? It means that you can access our classes wherever you want if you have an internet connection and a phone with you. And we also provide live and recorded sessions. What happens when you miss all those lives? Literally nothing, because these live sessions will be recorded and uploaded in the website, that is our website wireclassrooms.com, as soon as the live ends. And also, the main feature of this recorded session is that it contains pop-up questions, it contains MCQs to help you to self-assess yourself, And also, we have industry experts as faculties here. For example, for ACCA, we have Mr. Rashad Hussain, who is one of the top ACCA faculty in the world. And we also have national rank holders as faculties here. So if you join here, you will get the guidance and support of all these experts to build a very successful career in this field. And also, we have a very impressive doubt clearing sessions. That is, when you're watching the classes, when you got some doubts, you can actually post it through the chat box and our teachers will respond to you as soon as possible. Or either you can attend our live doubt clearing sessions, which is scheduled in every month, and you can actually access it and get benefit of it. Okay, and also we also provide comprehensive study materials, workshops, mock exams, previous year question paper analysis, everything to the students to make them understand about the content of the course in our ways. And also, lastly, I want to tell you that we here have a very attractive and affordable fee structure. In overall, I want to conclude that Wire Classrooms is a platform which, which ensures all the qualities which you needed to succeed in the field of commerce. Okay. Now, to our moving on to our main session of this webinar, that is the detailing of all the courses. So let's begin with the US CMA. Now, what is CMA? CMA means Certified Management Accounting. Okay, and this course is offered by the Institute of Management Accountants in United States of America. Now, it is a qualification, that is globally recognized qualification in management accounting. Now, I will ask you something. Have you ever thought about it that who will be responsible to give who will be advising those board members and CEOs of an organization in matters of cost accounting, risk management, financial planning, and all? Yes, you get it right. It is the CMAs. So, if you have the certification, you will also get that opportunity and be a part in a crucial role in an organization. Now moving on, what is the eligibility criteria to enter into the course? That is, if you have a +2, that is, if you completed your 12th grade, you will be eligible to enter the examination. Now, what are all the features of USCMA? That is, why USCMA? So, in USCMA, the course duration is less than 6 to 9 months. Means an average student can actually complete this course within a span of 6 to 9 months. And also, this USCMA provides you a flexibility in learning. That is, you can attend your exams at your own pace and on your own way. Okay, and also it provides career advancement opportunities, professional development opportunities, and also it will give you a global recognition since IMA is a globally recognized body. And also, if I say competitive advantage, what does it exactly means? It means that if you just imagine you are applying for a promotion or a job, you will get a advantage when you have the certification. And also, you will always be in demand of recruiters and employers because nowadays, recruiters and employers knows that CMAs does not bring only skills to the table. They bring strategies to help the business to grow. So, if you are a CMA, you will be always be in demand and your opportunities will be higher. Moving on, I will show you a static data, that is IMA 2021 salary survey shows that CMS actually earn 58% more salary than non-CMAs. Okay, so it is actually you can actually increase your earning potential if you have the certification. Now we will discuss the curriculum part of this USCMA. That is, it has 2 exams, that is part 1 and part 2. So in part 1, we have financial planning, performance and analytics. And in part 2, we have strategic financial management. So, and also, all these exams are conducted in computer-based exams. And also, we have 3 testing windows in a year. You can either write it on these testing windows. That is, during Jan-Feb, during May, June, in September and October. Now, what you have to do to get the US CMA certification is that you have to be first graduate in any domain and have to complete all the required examination parts and also satisfy the just 2 years of professional experience in management and accounting financial management. So then you will get the US CMA certification and you can actually use the CMA before your need. Now, most awaiting part of this course is that the career opportunities. You will be waiting to see all those things. So I will be listing out some of the job roles you will be getting after the certification, it includes financial analyst, accounts manager, financial manager, etc. And it can lead up to the senior most level position of an organization, that is vice president of finance and chief financial officer, that is CFOs. But not limited to these roles only. And also the main recruiters include the big fours, that the big four audit firms, that is KPMG, EY, PwC, Deloitte, and other MNCs too. So I hope everything is clear. So I hope everything is clear. If you have further doubt, please do check into the official website of IMA, that is imanet.org, or either log into our website via classrooms.com. Okay. Now we'll move on to our next topic, that is ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. So what is ACCA? That is it is a global accounting body that offers the certification of chartered certified accountants. It is headquartered in London, UK. And also it provides it, and also having this qualification will open doors to a successful career in accounting, finance, and management. And also, ACCA considered as a global CA since it is applicable across the world in 180 countries. Now, about the eligibility criteria. So, the minimum qualifications to get into the certificate, get into the exam is just 12th grade. And imagine, after 12th grade, you have been joined to ACCA in our platform, and along with that, you are doing a graduation. So if you complete the graduation, you will be having a professional qualification like ACCA within your hands. That is exactly the attraction of all these courses. Along with our graduation studies, we can actually possess a professional qualification in hands and improve our career opportunities or job roles, anything. Okay. Now I will discuss about why ACCA. So it will give you international recognition. As I have mentioned earlier, that it will give us an international recognition, means it is applicable across the world in 180 countries. So your job roles won't be limited to India only. You can actually work in those 180 countries. Okay. And also it will provide you career advancement opportunities, professional development opportunities, and networking opportunities. If I tell you, and also you can have versatility in job roles, because in ACCA, if you study ACCA, you can actually be if you want to go in taxation, if you want to go to in financial management or in auditing, actually you can do that, because ACCA provides a versatility. Okay, it contains all those contents, and actually you can have a great career in every field. Okay. And also, additionally, I want to tell an interesting fact about ACCA. That is, additionally, you can even gain additional qualifications on your journey to membership, including BSc in Applied Accounting from Oxford Brookes University. Isn't that something we always looking forward to? Because we are in India, and we are actually getting a certificate from a renowned Oxford Brookes University. So isn't that something wonderful? Isn't that something we always want? Yes, it is. So why wait? Just join ACCA and go and get all these benefits and be job ready. Now moving on to the ACCA curriculum. So we have total 13 papers, and in that we have, it is divided into 3 levels: applied knowledge level, applied skills level, and strategic professional level. So if you are a student that after completing +2, you are joining to the ACCA, then you have to write all these exams. But you will be having a benefit if you join after your graduation, that is BCom degree, or like any other qualification like CMA or CA. You will get, the ACCA will give you exemptions. If you are joining after the graduation, you can actually skip the applied knowledge level and get into the advanced level, that is the applied skills level. So that is the exceptions, benefits of exceptions. So if you want to know more, just Google it, that ACCA exemption calculator, and put your qualification there. Then you can avail your exceptions. Okay. So it is as simple as it is. Now the exam administration part. So all these 13 ACCA exams are taken as computer-based exams and offered at approved ACCA centers throughout the world. Okay, now this all the knowledge level exams, as I mentioned earlier, all the 3 exams of knowledge level are known as on-demand exams. That means they can be taken throughout the year whenever we want. But the session-based exams, that is the applied skills level exams and the applied professional level exams, they are held quarterly. Means we can write it 4 times in a year. That is in March, June, and September and December. Now I will show you a graph that how you can become an ACCA member. All the 3 steps I have mentioned here. That is, you have to take all the 13 exams. Then you have to complete a EPSM module and also just 3 years of practical experience requirement. Then you will be an ACCA member, and actually you can use ACCA after your name, and also you will be getting a signing authority in 180 countries, as I have mentioned earlier. Now moving on to the career opportunities. I have already discussed that it gives you a versatility in job roles. That exactly can be seen in this video, that in this slide. So you will get job roles in accounting advisory, risk advisory, mergers and acquisitions, and many more. And actually, by gaining experience and everything, you can actually go into the senior most level positions in your organization like CEO, CFO, COO. Okay, and it doesn't end here. Okay, if you want to become an entrepreneur also, ACCA gives you that provisions too, because you can even set up your own firm and practice auditing. Okay, so we'll see the major companies hiring ACCAs are, as I have already mentioned earlier, the big fours, that is Deloitte, EY, KPMG, PwC. But not limited to these companies only. Actually, this slide is limited, but the companies are not limited. Okay, other MNCs also hires ACCAs. So moving on to the short courses we are providing here. The first one is IFRS, that is International Financial Reporting Standards. So I will begin with what is exactly IFRS. IFRS are a set of accounting standards developed by the International Accounting Standards Board. And it is designed to provide common global language for business affairs so that financial statements can be consistent, transparent across different countries. And this course is offered by the 2 renowned accounting organizations, that is ACCA, IAAP. So, International Association of Accounting Professionals. Both these organizations are UK-based ones, and also both provide certificate course and diploma courses in IFRS. So here at Via Classrooms, we actually provide diploma and certificate IFRS course offered by IAAP and also diploma course offered by ACCA. Now I will tell you why IFRS, why you should choose it. Okay, it will improve your job prospects, and also it will increase your earning potential, and also it will give you global recognition, because I have already mentioned you that it is offered by the global organizations like ACCA, IAAP. Okay, and it will give you opportunities for your better professional development. Now, moving on, the eligibility criteria, that is any graduate can be applied to this course and have the certification. So in the screen, you can see the syllabus, of diploma in IFRS by IAP and certificate in IFRS by IAP and also the diploma course by ACCA. Okay. Now coming to the job roles, what all are the job roles you will be getting after the certification? It includes financial reporting specialist, auditor, accounts manager, financial analyst, consultant, and international accounting. So if you have the certification, you can actually become all these job roles, and also this job role is not just limited here. You will get wide range of career opportunities after having this certification. Moving on, I will share you the some of the software courses we are offering here. That includes SAP FICO and SAP MM. So exactly what is that? So I will explain it to you. That is, SAP means Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. Actually, SAP is a German multinational software company based in Germany. It develops enterprise software to manage business operations and customer relations. This company actually is the world's leading enterprise resource planning software vendor, that is ERP software, and they also provide certification courses too. So basically, the main function of this SAP software is it helps the organization to run the day-to-day operations. Okay, so I'll be discussing some of the SAP modules here. It includes the functional modules and technical modules. In functional modules, we have SAP Financial Accounting and Controlling, SAP Material Management, SAP Sales and Distribution, SAP Human Capital Management, and in technical module, we have SAP Basis and many more. Okay. And here at Via Classrooms, we are actually providing the training for SAP FICO and SAP MM. That is, SAP FICO means Financial Accounting and Controlling. SAP MM means in Material Management. Now, here at Via Classrooms, we are not providing just these courses. We are providing 4 add-on certifications to you. That includes Basic Account Certificate, MS Excel, GST Filing, and GCC VAT. And also, our course duration is just 2 months. Okay, we also provide an internship opportunity of 2 months for the students who joins here. Now, who are eligible to get the certification? Any graduate is actually eligible to get the certification. Now, moving on, what is exactly SAP FICO means? So, this course focuses on financial accounting, management accounting, and cost controlling. And it also includes hands-on training on configuring and customizing SAP software. So, moving on to SAP MM module, okay? So, SAP MM course focuses on the procurement and inventory management of materials in an organization. So, it also includes hands-on training on configuring and customizing SAP software. So, all the exams is online and you can actually schedule as per your convenience. Okay. Now, the career opportunities. These are the job roles you will be getting after the certification. It includes junior or senior SAP FICO consultant, financial analyst, master data analyst, project manager, etc. and many more. You can actually go through this. Okay. Now, in SAP MM, we have like SAP MM consultants, logistic manager, support specialist, project manager, purchase manager, etc. and many more job roles. It is not limited here. Okay. Just understand it is not limited here. Okay. Then this comes to the end of our introductory part. That is the main session, the detailing of the courses. I hope this webinar was informative and interesting and will help you to make informed decisions in your career. For further clarifications, please do reach out to us through our mail ID info@viaclassrooms.com and the contact number is 9633730966. Okay, we wish you all the success in your future endeavors. Once again, thank you all for joining us today. Have a good day.